You asked how to buy shares of Hiscox Ltd. Hiscox is a specialist insurer listed on LSE PLC under the ticker HSX.L, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy HSX.L, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before buying. Use the platform search box and type HSX.L to find Hiscox Ltd. Choose the result that specifies the LSE listing so you pick the correct share. On the asset page, you will see a short company overview and the price chart. Confirm the LSE ticker HSX.L and that the description matches Hiscox Ltd. before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to commit, review fees and order details, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, your Hiscox position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to learn more.